Hello, my name is Niver Orejuela, a student from UNAD University, belonging to SEAT Turbo. The program in student is a degree in mathematics. The Nagar effect are extension because words control industrialization has done are transit wizard are dot sped into the environment causing devastating consequences. With air pollution, destruction of marine lights and river dot to the over overpollution at school at fish extraction at polymetallic oil spill. The increase in carbon dioxide has brought air pollution, respiratory problems in global warming, increasing the glacial melt, and by 2050 we will now survey all over the world and follow Earth had become the source close air problems from the Amazon fire. I which are several were not yet transferred to dams in plastic. The right are still worse not eat plastic or rabbits were not be pollution. I think we shall eliminate single-use container use renewable energy. I consider that for the conservation of natural resources such as the forest, it is necessary that the logging company that are dedicated to deforestation indiscriminately becomes ours and do not destroy the forest in profiles as with the oxygen with which we breathe and also conserving the tributary of water since without it is not possible to light to solve all the problems we need with a world that our global solution is recovered. Thank you.